no padding. Rock hard. No padding, no protection, rip through. So how do we fix this? Well, Cuda Powersports has patented the first bunk carpet padding, specifically designed to go between your bunk board and your bunk carpet. This is a 1/4 inch thick padding that is either glued or stapled or both on top of the bunk board. This 1/4 inch padding is waterproof, closed cell to not absorb water, and has a backing that is strong and will not stretch or tear. Best of all, you can still glue your bunk carpeting atop of this padding right here for ultimate protection. This padding, along with our carpeting, provides almost a 1/2 inch of padding and protection for your boat hull. Come and get you some.